Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to easily find a person on Facebook by phone number. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write your comments. Let's get started. First, we need to go to Facebook. Here we go to the menu. Then we click on the gear in the upper right corner. We go to the Meta Account Center. Then we go to your information and permissions. Click on that. Next, we're looking for Upload Contacts. So we're looking for the person by contact. We click here. We select Facebook. Now we need to make sure that we have contact search turned on. I've got it turned off at the moment. We just need to click here. We see that we get a window like this. Now we need to click here. And now Facebook will load some people that we have in the phone book, let's say, and they are in Facebook. It takes some time, literally a few seconds. Now we see the list of people that Facebook found us by contacts. And we can add any of them as a friend, just by clicking here, Add Friend. This is the first way how you can find a person on Facebook by phone number. Another method is to use some kind of browser. I'm going to use Safari. Then in the search box, we type Find Facebook Account. The first option, choose Find Facebook Account. Click on it. And here we need to find this address, where at the end there's the word identify. Click on it. And here we can enter the phone number of the person we're looking for. I'm going to enter my phone number in this case. Click Search. And as you can see here is a picture of me and how I'm on Facebook. Unfortunately, this way we can't see the page of the person we're looking for. But we can make sure that the person we have in our contacts by phone number is also on Facebook and how he is signed. If we want to find the person further on Facebook, we can just go to it. On the main page, we look for a magnifying glass. We click on it and enter the name of the person we found through the browser. This way we can make sure that the person we found, this phone number of his, is linked to the Facebook page, that this is really the person we are looking for. That's how you can find a person on Facebook by phone number in 2 ways. I hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe to the channel. Put your likes, write comments. See you soon.